Swing trading indicators are a very popular form of indicators for trading since it does not require an extreme amount of time to utilize. With a good trading strategy, it might not take more than 20 minutes every day. Swing trades usually last between a few days to a few weeks and try to catch the larger swings in the market. Swing trading has you utilize a lot of different indicators when researching market trends. Some of the trading indicators can be quite complex. In fact, it would be impossible for someone new to the markets to understand some of the trading indicators used by professional firms. However, many of the most widely used trading indicators are incredibly basic in nature. In fact, the vast majority of trading indicators used by professionals are the ones that they learn during their first few weeks in trading. Swing trading indicators, best top indicator for swing traders. According to us, some of the best swing trading indicators and methods are: moving averages, volume, RSI, relative strength index, support and resistance. All these swing trading indicators are widely recognized and used right. They will help you to become profitable in the market. Understanding the limitations of swing trading indicators. Before we move on to the trading indicators themselves, it is important to understand what they represent. Trading indicators are not better than any other form of technical analysis, and should never be seen as the holy grail. It is not guaranteed that any trade that you make will yield profit just because a trading indicator signaled it. Here are some other factors that can have an impact on whether you end up making a profit or taking a loss in swing trading. Market conditions can often dampen the effectiveness of indicators. Even if it seems like security is about to go up, a broad bearish sentiment could cause it to further plummet in value. Your timing needs to be exact. Getting in at the right time can be imperative to make a huge profit. What many people call intuition is simply experience. Like all other things, you will become a better trader as you spend more time trading and pick up on subtle market signals. Here are 4 trading indicators and some of their variants that you can use when swing trading with ease. When used properly, they should be enough to yield you a handsome return on your investment. Don't miss: can you swing trade with a full-time job? Moving averages. The moving average is one of the most basic trading indicators in swing trading. A moving average smoothens erratic short-term price movements and helps us better understand the trend and in what direction the security is moving. Moving averages are good indicators on their own, but they are also used as a base for other, more descriptive indicators. Remember that moving averages almost always lag behind the current price due